Welcome back to Heaven of Aromas. Do you suffer from acne? In today's era, in today's world, it has become a major issue, and I have received number of requests from people. Vivek, make a video about skincare and especially about acne. So I thought, let's find out how do essential oils can help you treating the same. It's a big topic, so stay tuned because we are going to cover all of it. So some of the major essential oils which we are going to cover in this video today, which will help you treat your acne, are chamomile, frankincense, geranium, lavender, lemon, patchouli, ylang ylang, and yeah, when we're talking about acne, we should not forget the big boss, tea tree, orange, and basil. So one of the things which people do ignore or they forget is when they are using these essential oils is that all these essential oils are very drying to the skin. They dehydrate your skin. I'm not saying all of the essential oils are drying to your skin, but most of the essential oils are. There are some essential oils which are hydrating, but let's consider most of them are drying to your skin. So how do we get rid of this dryness and keep our skin moisturized and hydrated? We use carrier oils. That's the reason carrier oils come into picture. They are hydrating and they are moisturizing to your skin. And we should not even forget about hydrosols. Some of the hydrosols which can be used for skin and acne are rose. Now rose hydrosol. Now rose is very expensive, so many people are not able to afford it. Yes, it's expensive than gold. So then we can consider geranium. Whenever rose is not available, we use geranium. It's also known as sister of rose, neroli hydrosol, and heracletium. So we can do a lot with these carrier oils, hydrosols, and little bit of essential oils. So what are the most drying out essential oils? Which are the oils which are dehydrating on your skin? They are the citrus oils. For example, lemon, grapefruit, mandarin, grape seed, lemon. These are all the oils which are the most dehydrating on your skin. You can do a little experiment. You can take a little bit of lemon essential oil, you can apply it on your skin, and soon you will start noticing that your skin is getting dried out. And I have told in many of my videos, never use oils without carrier oils or undiluted essential oils because they are most concentrated. It can be allergic. There are a lot of risk involved. And which are the oils which are least dehydrating on your skin? That means they are the least drying on your skin. They are the ones which are coming out from flowers. Number one, rose essential oil, and then we have vetiver, we have sandalwood essential oils. These are oils which are hydrating on the skin. And even though I keep telling never use oils in an undiluted manner, that means always mix it in a carrier oil and then use it, but these are the oils. There are some oils which you can use even in an undiluted form, but only under a supervision of an aromatherapist. In this case, under my supervision. So rose you can apply directly on your skin, sandalwood you can apply directly on your skin, vetiver you can apply directly on your skin, and I also recommend using aloe vera gel as a base. That's the aloe vera gel is again the most hydrating on your skin. So instead of carrier oil, you use aloe vera gel as a base, and you add in some drops of essential oils and you apply it on your skin. That will give you the best results, and your skin will also be hydrating. So let's talk about tea tree essential oil. When we are talking about acne, we cannot forget tea tree essential oil because it's the king when it comes to treatment of acne. There are big brands out in the market which are promoting products made of tea tree oil, cosmetics made of tea tree oil, and yes, I would recommend using tea tree oil in a diluted form in a carrier oil, and it's very good for treating mild to moderate degree of acne. But if you are someone who is having severe acne on his skin, then you will need some more help and probably a professional doctor. I would recommend using tea tree oil in a carrier oil in a ratio of 5% dilution rate and applying it on your skin. You can even use a hydrosol, for example rose hydrosol, put it in a spray bottle, have a dilution of 5% tea tree oil in a 5% ratio, and spray it all over your face. Will work wonderfully and magically on your face, and giving you acne proof skin. Now there is, talking about tea tree essential oil, there is also a downside of tea tree essential oil, which all the big brands, all the big companies which are promoting tea tree cosmetics and products is not telling you. And I believe my audience, all the Heaven of Aromas audience, even if something is negative, they should be aware of it. And the downside is tea tree oil is responsible. Tea tree oil can give red rashes on your skin. That means tea tree oil is responsible for dermatitis. It can cause dermatitis on your skin, yes. And if you want more information on it, you can do your own research. You can always Google search tea tree and dermatitis and you will find a lot more information on it. So I would recommend not to follow me blindly. Do your own study and do your own research before taking any step, or follow a professional. I will proceed ahead with orange and basil essential oils. Both have magical properties when it comes to treatment of acne. Both have antimicrobial properties, and there was a research which was done, and they had 43 to 75% of success rate in treating of acne. Another very good essential oil which I would recommend is copaiba essential oil, which is little difficult to find but works very wonderfully on the skin. Same way, dilute it in your carrier oil with a 5% dilution rate, apply it on your skin and watch the magic happen. Now each person is unique. If something is working on me, it's not written on stone that it will work on someone else as well. So when we are working on aromatherapy, we have to work on a lot of experimental basis. I knew a person who was using aloe vera gel, and in a 1:1 ratio he was using apple cider vinegar and few drops of patchouli. He was applying it on his skin and that was working magically for him. And to keep his skin moisturized, he was also using just plain jojoba carrier oil and nothing else. So now let's talk about frankincense essential oil. Frankincense essential oil is very good for treatment of acne. It's having anti-aging properties. It's very good for removal of dark spots from your skin. It's good for reducing of scars if you have any, And I will not go in a lot into frankincense because I already have one video on frankincense, and if you want to know more you can always go back and refer to that video. And let's talk about ylang ylang. Ylang ylang is another aromatic essential oil which is derived from the flowers, and it's very good for treatment of acne. It also has anti-aging properties with a very good aroma. Trust me, once you smell ylang ylang, you will fall in love with the fragrance of ylang ylang. There is never a day I don't use ylang ylang essential oil in my diffuser, especially during night times when I'm relaxing. Yeah, so I have covered frankincense, geranium, lavender, we've talked about lemon, ylang ylang, tea tree, orange, basil. It's pretty much we have covered everything. And if you have any questions, suggestions, feedback, do post in the comment section below. And yes, again, always do your own research and make your own decisions wisely. This is Vivek Arora signing off. See you in the next video. Heaven of Aromas.